Have you ever felt like you've done everything right, but you're still stuck in a visa limbo? You have a great career, but your future in America still hangs by a thread. You're tired of conflicting advice and stuck between expensive consults and criteria that no one explains in plain English. Yet alone, you don't know who to turn for help. I'm Sylvia, the founder of America Unlocked. I turned my own hard-won green card journey and successful journeys of hundreds of others into a step-by-step system which includes deep dive lessons, concrete examples for tough criteria, events, checklists, templates, monthly challenges, and a super supportive community. We host events with attorneys and former USCIS officers, and you can access massive lawyer discounts when you need them. Inside, you will quickly choose the right path, map your achievements to the criteria, and build the exact evidence you need. No more guesswork and no more feeling alone in all this. Just steady, expert-backed progress toward a filed petition. Start free with our starter pass. Get access to our free chat, Ask Me Anything events, program insights, and your first action plan. Join now, get clarity this week, and take control of your future in the US. Fill the form below and see you inside.